Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to refresh Twitter feed. So let's get started. So if you want to refresh your Twitter feed, now to do that what you have to do is first open up your Twitter application or X application. So after opening up your Twitter or X application, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on that, just simply tap on settings and support and settings and privacy. After tapping on that, just simply scroll down and you will find accessibility, display and languages option. Just simply tap on it. And after tapping on that, now you'll find data usage. Just simply tap on data usage, and from here you will find clear feed option. So currently in my region I don't have that feature, but if your region allows you to access that feature, what you can do is just simply tap on it and then clear your feed. So for those who don't have that option, what you can do is just simply come back, and then what you can do is just simply tap and hold on your Twitter application, then tap on the eye icon. After tapping on that, now you just have to tap on storage and cache, and from here you can just simply go ahead and then clear your cache and then clear your storage. And after doing that, just simply go back and then log into your Twitter account, and after doing that you'll successfully refresh your Twitter feed. So that's it guys, this is how to refresh Twitter feed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.